Hi everyone, my name is Josh Bonington and I would like to demonstrate to you today on how to use Quizalize. Quizalize is a digital tool that allows teachers to engage with their students with a more interactive and fun style than a normal pencil and paper way. First, I'm going to show you what the quizzes look like, then how it'll look once you set up a quiz. Once you've created an account, you'll need to select that you're a teacher because this will lead you to this page on how to create quizzes rather than taking you to where you take the quizzes. So this is the resources page that gives you a lot of pre-made quizzes that you can use to get started. Example like math, science, English, social studies, etc. Anything that you might need. These quizzes can be easy or they can be set to, be challenging. It's really up to you. This example of weather maps shows you the 15 questions that are in the quiz and what the potential answers are for each question. If you click on preview this quiz, it will show you how it will look for the students. So if I click start, here you can see the question displayed in a fun way as well as the timer. So I'm going to select an answer for this question. So you can see that I got it right and it told me the score and how long it took the timer. If I were to click next, it would continue me through the quiz. However, I'm going to stop here and go back and show you how you can create one of these quizzes yourself. So if at the top here, you can see the create button. If I click that, create new quiz, this is where I can start to build my questions and answers. I have a lot of options here once I click add a new question. So in question type, I have the options like multiple choice, true and false, categories, etc. Then I can type in my question, then my correct answer, and then incorrect answers. You have options to add images to each answer or the question itself. You can also read the question aloud so that someone can hear the question. You also have an answer explanation. Once you answer the question, like the explanation for it after someone answers. So if I go back and I go to my library, you can see the one that I started already, the Houston Baptist University quiz. So far, I only have 3 questions. So let's say I want to add one more question. So I'm going to hit edit the questions. So I'm going to add one more and say, let's just stick with multiple choice. And let's say, where is HBU located? And let's say the correct answer is Sharpstown. And then you've got Montrose. So let's say where in Houston is HBU? Okay, to be more specific. Memorial or the South Side. So then, let's see. I can click save to my library, and then it will go back to here. And then I can go to my quiz and then preview this quiz. So now This is showing what the students will see. And so let's start the question. And since I know all the answers, I'll get them all right. And then once you're done, it gives you your 3 stars and your score. So then this score can be saved and you can compare it to your other classmates to see how you're doing compared to them. Or you could have the scores visible to only the teacher, so they know the teacher can know who's doing good or who needs more help. So that is how you use Quizlet. I hope you enjoyed seeing how to use Quizalize and that you can see how beneficial this digital tool would be in an educational setting. Thanks for watching.